Hey guys, today I'm going to paint these 4 coasters, and then I think I'll have some leftover paint, so I'm going to maybe do another pour on this one using a colander, because I've seen that online a couple times and I haven't had the chance to do it yet. So the paints that we're going to be using is this pale olive Artist Loft paint. And then also the something green, I don't know how to pronounce that, but that's also an Artist Loft. And then this is a Peridot metallic paint, which it's beautiful, so I'm really excited for that. So we have those 3, and I think I'm gonna do it as I guess I'm just gonna pour it. And I am not using any silicone in these. I'm just using the Floetrol, which is supposed to give cells. They just might not be as big as I'm used to getting. But I've noticed with the silicone, I'm just having a lot of problems with resin. So I want to try a couple pieces without the silicone to see if my resining gets better, if that makes sense. Go in for a close-up of these ones. Here's the corner of this one. See all that metallic color. This one's super pretty. Oh, those are super pretty. I want this to be less green though, to kind of go with everything else. I don't know if you can see how shiny that like green gold metallic is. It's super pretty. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let those sit for a minute, and then I'll show you a close-up. You really see it right really well in the corner there. Of these coasters. Alright, see you in a minute. So yeah, there are my coasters. Sorry the close-up was kind of crappy. I don't know how people keep their cameras still when they do that, but yeah, here's the 4. I will be putting resin on them next week, so if you are interested, let me know. Thanks.